What's up, creative people? I'll be Brian Jones here from RBJ Creative Studio, and today we're doing another tutorial on how to create face paints or face drawing, how to overlay them and all those type of things. So first of all, let's get to it. Let's get something, an image in PNG or something that we can put. Okay, I think I have the font here. Let's try an Adinkra symbol. I have an Adinkra symbol, Adinkra symbols font. So I'll just get to it real quick and just type Adinkra and you get it. I'll try as much as possible to leave a link in the description so you can get the Adinkra symbol. So after that, you have to go through to get the type of or the specific symbol that you want. For me, I want Jinyame, so here's Jinyame. I want it to be in white for the meantime, so just set to white and hit OK. So after that, what you're going to do next is you're going to position, let me rasterize this guy. You're going to position the Adinkra symbol at where you want it to be. Yeah, you're going to position it at where you want it to be. For me, I want it around the eyelid, around the eyelid, something like this. So just position it here. This is very simple. It's simple because you're just going to toggle something or just one click to get the type of effect that you want. So let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, perfect. So we are going to set the blend mode to overlay. This is it. You just set the blend mode to overlay, and overlay basically brings out the detail of the background into the text or the image or the whatever that it's on top of. So obviously white is not working for us, so let's just invert to see. And for information, inverting white will be black, so just invert to black and set to overlay now, and look at how it works. This too is very perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the opacity of the Jinyame so that we still get the details and also the whatever. So this is what we have now. We're not done. We would have to work around the Jinyame a bit because I'm in glasses. As you can see, I'm in glasses, and the Jinyame is overlaying the glasses too. We don't want that. We want the Jinyame to overlay, overlay the skin only. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the eraser or shortcut E for eraser, then just clean over the glasses or the frames. So something like this. It's very simple, very simple. Just clean over it. Just get it out of the way. Very simple. And one thing you should put in your mind, you should know that anything beautiful or anything nice in graphic design is not easy. You have to go through a process before you get to that kind of beautiful artwork. So let's just keep cleaning. Yeah, I know it's very tiresome. It's very tiresome and all that, but then yeah, at the end of the day, we're going to get a very nice design. So you keep on doing this till you are done with every place that you want out of the frame. I think we are left with this side, and then that'll be it. Yep. Okay, we're done. So basically, this is the whole idea about putting images or whatever. You just have to set the blend mode to overlay so you can get the details. There are other options aside blend mode. Let's go through. We have normal, we have this one is dissolve, we have darken, we have multiply, we have color burn, linear burn, darker color, lighten, we have screen, color dodge, we have linear dodge, we have lighter color, we have overlay. This is our overlay, this is our guy. Then we move on to soft light, move on to hard light, vivid light, linear light, pen light, I mean, you just go through and you get to know that it's just. And looking at the hue here, the hue kind of makes the selected parts it changed the color to black and white. I don't know if you are seeing it here, but that's how it works. Saturation, color, then to luminosity. But then our guy is overlay. So you just set to overlay and you're good to go. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. The name's Abibrai Jones from RBJ Creative Studio. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section, and I'll make sure to come through for you. And yeah, so that will be it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.